Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to easily change poses in your photo using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool. This is one of the newest features from Google and it lets you edit images instantly with just a text prompt. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini, or you can also go to Gemini on your browser, and then just make sure you are logged in with your Google account, this one, and then just tap on create image, or you can also go to tools and then create images like this. This option is powered by Nano Banana, which is the feature we'll be using for post editing. And next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus buttons and then gallery, and then just choose the photo that you want to edit. And next, here's come the fun part. Let's writing a prompt. For example, you can type a prompt like this. I will write my prompt like this. For example like this, you can just copy this prompt directly or just tweak it however you like to get the different result like this, and then once you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments the post changes instantly and the results are super realistic and the details stay consistent with the original photo. And okay, that's it. With Google Gemini Nano Banana, you can transform your photo into new post effortlessly. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.